In this video, we're visiting a multitude of markets in Chiang Mai.
I am checking off these markets in Chiang Mai like a Boy Scout checks off merit badges.
I'll buy everything from street food on Sunday night.
You know it's good when you're drinking the broth.
To amulets in the afternoon.
Some of them have monk's hair and monk's blood.
And lettuce way before lunchtime.
Bring your spare change and your tough skin.
So break out your bot and get ready for some of the best bargains in northern Thailand.
And for $2, you too can burn your face off in Thailand.
Follow me for weekly new videos as I explore the world and film my experiences of food, travel, and culture.
Welcome to Chiang Mai. I'm here on Ratchatham Noon Road at the Chiang Mai Sunday Market, otherwise known as the Sunday Walking Street Market. Everything on offer here, from toys and trinkets to Thai handicrafts. I am here, of course, for the street food. I'm gonna make a pit stop at the pork sausage, northern Thai pork sausage. Look at that nice vat of grease forming underneath the pork. It's got Thai basil, lemongrass, and garlic, and I'm learning a new way to designate my spice level here in Thailand. Southern Thai, Phuket spicy is like, call the fire department. Northern Thai spice is, a little steeper than Frank's Red Hot and Tabasco sauce, but it's not going to set your entire face on fire. Really great. As far as food goes here in Chiang Mai, this is some of the good stuff. The Chang Phuak Night Market. They say this is the little market with big flavor. Right now I'm looking for the cowboy hat lady who sells a very famous version of cow camu. She was on an episode of Parts Unknown. Oh, there you are, the famous cowboy hat lady. I caught her taking her dinner break, but apparently this is her stall, and it is a pork leg stew, an egg, some rice, pickled vegetables, and the real heart of the meal here, the pork leg. I'd come back here and just get the pork. That's the good stuff. I'm at the Chiang Mai University Night Market. They're offering two of my favorite things, grilled stuff on a stick and sushi. The best 75 cents I've ever spent on sushi. Right up my alley, I found the grilled squid stand. It's one of these stalls where you pick out what you want and then it gets grilled for you. Dinner's almost ready. Yeah, we've got some Thai guy spice, not white guy spice here. I'm going all in. Oh yeah, 20 baht. Kapun krab. I can feel the burn. This one here is the crocodile meat. I'm at the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, and I've done the bugs in Bangkok, but this is the first time I've seen anyone selling grilled crocodile. I'm sure it tastes just like chicken, so I'm gonna give it a go. She's praying for my crocodile. That's not a good sign. Is it well done? 80 baht for the crocodile. It's a very chewy version of something that tastes like a mixture of chicken and pork. Grilled crocodile meat. It's keto friendly. All right, well, he's seen the end of it. The vendor here has agreed to let me man the grill so I can cut my fish and plate it myself. He's lent me his tongs and his knife so that I can open it nice and easy, like a trap door, a doorway that will open to culinary heaven. You could see the moisture and heat that's been locked in there. It's just bubbling like crazy. I've got a new friend and a new job here in Chiang Mai. I'm here at a stand that specializes in northern Thai food, and today they have buffalo larb. Before it goes on the grill, they're questioning my grit to see if I'll try it raw, so I'm gonna try raw buffalo larb. It's a nice hefty portion of blood cake in there. Oh, it's spicy. Spicy? Good. Yeah. Oh, that's wonderful. Go ahead. Ooh. Nothing like a scorched bird chili to start things off. Yeah. I'm back out here at the Chiang Mai Sunday night walking street market, and I found a vendor selling squid egg.
I have spicy soda.
Yeah, spicy. I like the spice.
Okay, thank you.
They're good. They are buttery and greasy. You know how squid can kind of have that pencil eraser consistency sometimes. These are a much squishier version of squid. And the spice, my face is turning red, so it's definitely more Thai guy spice than white guy spice.
Kapita.
So this is mango sticky rice. When I first came to Thailand, I thought it was some special kind of rice, like the rice was cooked with mango, but it's actually just mango and sticky rice. The special part of it, however, is the coconut milk. So you just kind of drizzle the coconut milk over the mango and the sticky rice. There you have it, mango sticky rice. From the smell of it, it seems like the appropriate place to try khao soi for the first time. I'm gonna kick up the spice level here a little bit. Chicken wing drumsticks, egg noodles, and crispy noodles. A little cilantro, green beans, bean sprouts, and cabbage. The works, man. Khao soi is like a matzaman curry, except that it's served with these soft egg noodles and crispy noodles instead of the rice that the matzaman curry is served with. Both Asian and Indian flavors in this curry.
You know it's good when you're drinking the broth.
Looking for these local staples of food. A lot of carnival food to cut through to get to the good stuff, but I've hit the jackpot here with Minh Kham. Minh Kham, it's kind of like a Thai taco or lettuce wrap. It's got shallots, chilies, coconut shavings, peanuts or cashews, and dried shrimps. Great for your next Tupperware party. Some of these markets here in Chiang Mai, they're a big event like a carnival or a county fair. And the Sunday night walking street market is definitely like that. Others, they're like wholesalers, like a restaurant supply, or big box stores like a Costco. And then there are some that are more like a food court in the mall, but they're out on the street. And the Chang Phuak night market is like that. And then others, like this one, the market at the Chiang Mai main gate, they're more like your local grocer. Which one is the most spicy? This one. I'll take the spicy one. Thai guy spicy. The other day I came here looking to put together a salad, and I found a woman on the sidewalk selling avocados. And I went to buy two of them. One that was really ripe and one that was getting there. One I was gonna eat on the day, and the other one the following day. She swatted my hand away. She's like, no, only one for today. She handed me the most perfectly ripe avocado I have ever eaten, and apparently only gave me an allotment of one avocado per day. So I'm looking for her again, but I don't see her. I have a feeling she's such an avocado Nazi that if she weren't in possession of like perfect avocados, she would just not work for the day. Oh, here she is, but I don't see her avocados. Where's your avocado? Avocado. She had, no avocado? I'm gonna have to settle for someone else's avocado. I feel like sleeping with another woman.
This is the Chiang Mai Amulet Market, and it takes place every Thursday from 7 a.m. until about 2 p.m. Quite a place for a market that's just selling amulets. And these amulets go anywhere from 20 baht to over 10 million baht. Some of them have monk's hair and monk's blood. And 40 baht. Kap. I found an amulet that I like. I think it'll hang nicely on a chain around my neck, warding off evil spirits and making me look spiritual. So I found a woman here specializing in the necklaces. She is hooking me up right now. Nice little black cord. Keeping it simple, not going with the flashier hip-hop chain version of the amulet hanger. You're getting very sleepy.
I'm back at the Chang Phuak Gate Night Market because this market really is the best one in Chiang Mai when you want street food and you want to sit down with a plate of food. I'm going to have this famous roasted duck. They've met their fate and now they're going to meet my internal organs. They've got a convenient container here, which is like a set of control knobs for your flavor profile. Vinegar for sour, salt for salty, fish sauce for your sweet and funky, and then red chili flakes for the heat. So you know I'm cranking that one up all the way to 11, baby. And for $2, you too can burn your face off in Thailand. I got a roasted duck rice, the large one. 70 baht. Kapung ka. I am checking off these markets in Chiang Mai like a Boy Scout checks off merit badges. This time I'm at the Wang Mai Market. It's the largest wholesale market of fruits and vegetables in Chiang Mai, and they do offer some meats and seafood. I've got to tell you, I've been to quite a few of these open-air food markets in Bangkok and in Vietnam, and this is the coolest one I've been to. Very large in size, and the vibe here is just bursting with energy. It's a really cool market to visit if you want to really see the local culture and avoid the troves of tourists. But I would say bring your spare change and your tough skin, because things can be bought on the cheap, but navigating this market, getting in and out of here, you're gonna get knocked around by the motorbikes and the carts and the people who just don't have the time and patience to smile and wave at the tourists. 1 kilo, 40 baht. Okay, same, 1 and 1. The 2 heads of lettuce were 10 baht. So was the giant bunch of cilantro, and the tomatoes and cucumber were 30 baht, 30, 40, 50 baht. I spent less than $2. I've got salad components for like 5 meals. On my honor, I promise to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, morally straight, and to keep bringing you YouTube videos from markets like this one. I'll give a shout out to my new exchange student homies here. Felix?
Yeah.
And?
Yannick.
And Yannick. Felix and Yannick, man, they're starting their...
Like.
They subscribed and they liked. Peace to Sweden and Spain.